Welcome to Premier RV Center, and a first look inside a Jayco 17Z hybrid, coming in at only 3,100 pounds. Very lightweight unit. Wonderful rear bed off the back here immediately as we come in the door. So you've got a good sized double bed here. Furnace outlet. We do have some ducted heat here, which is wonderful in a small unit. It's a rarity. Easy access to some storage underneath here, as well as our breaker panel and our fuses as well. Directly as we come in, we've got our bathroom ahead, especially if you've got young kids and you're traveling on the road. Wonderful feature because you don't have to open any of the ends to get to the bathroom. So we've got a 3-piece bath, which again, in a smaller unit, typically it's only a 2-piece bath. So this is wonderful. We've got 3 separated pizzas with great storage, with a vanity and a medicine cabinet, as well as plug-ins as well. And as we come in the door, we've got our switches for our awning. We've got some light switches here as we come in, little window that we can open in the kitchen area here, and then we do have some workspace here in the kitchen. And much of your cooking will end up outside, but this actually does have a oven, which is a rarity again for a small unit like this. Typically they don't. You've got some pots and pan storage just below as well. Outlets in the kitchen. Great little 3-burner stove if the weather's not cooperating and you can't cook outside. And then you also have a microwave to be able to reheat, last night's leftovers for lunch. There is a hood fan as well as a light there as well, so if it's a later evening. Got our furnace here. We've got a TV as well. You can mount that to the outside. There is already a mount there. And then we've got about a 4 cubic foot fridge with an ice box inside. We've got entertainment here with speakers inside and out. Great little Furrion stereo here with a CD player as well. A couple great speakers in here with great sound. You've got a full-size 13,500 BTU air conditioner, so this will cool very quickly when you do have 30 amp service. What's lovely about this particular unit, if you have that smaller tow vehicle, but you have a bigger family, this is often the best solution for you. This dinette will drop down into a bed. This couch can also fold flat into a bed and will allow you to walk right to the front. And then you've got a good sized queen in the front there. Plug-ins as well. So again, you've got 4 separated beds in a very small package that is under 3,500 pounds. So this is one of the best kind of layouts for a bigger family with a smaller tow vehicle. Great storage above your dinette here, great for cards, games, books, all those things we naturally bring with us. And you've got great opposing windows here that you can open with screens, so you can get some ventilation across there. And you can imagine when you open up both ends and you have that flow through of air, you're not going to be using the air conditioning a whole lot in here because of how much airflow you get. Really helpful too if you're traveling with pets. Again, ideally if you can have 30 amp service, that's always great. But if you don't, the airflow is going to come right through this coach with its open ends. We do have a TV antenna on board as well. So again, should you want to grab a couple channels free over the air, typically you can, most campgrounds. We invite you down to Premier RV Center to come have a closer look at this 2017 17Z in Jayco's Jay Feather Ultralight series.